Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making a very spicy and tangy snack called Chaat Papri. Today I'm using store-bought papris, I'm not making them at home, and I'm using a can of chickpeas instead of boiling them. And to boil the potatoes, I've cut them into small pieces so they cook faster. There are plenty of papris available in the market, but I use these two for their crunch and freshness. After boiling the potatoes, I peeled them and cut them into very small cubes. We need 1 cup of yogurt, thinned with quarter cup of water and seasoned with 1 teaspoon of salt. We will need green chutney and tamarind chutney. I will add the chutney recipes at the end of the video. 1 onion chopped very finely, 1 tomato also chopped finely, 1 can of chickpeas drained and rinsed, 1 cup of saves for extra crunch. For the spices, we need some chaat masala, some red chilli powder, and roasted cumin seeds which have been ground coarsely. To enjoy our Chana Chaat Papri, all we have to do is now assemble it. We will add potatoes, chickpeas, tomatoes and onions onto the crackers or the papri, pour the yogurt, sprinkle some chaat masala, chilies and cumin according to taste, and add the 2 chutneys. For extra crunch, crush the papris on top or add the save. Make sure to assemble the chaat papri when you're ready to eat, otherwise it will become soggy. Instead of individual papris, we can also assemble it in a big plate. Same sequence, first the crackers or the papris, chickpeas, onions, potatoes, tomatoes, yogurt, the spices according to your taste, and both the chutneys. And for extra crunch, either crush the papris or add some save. You can also serve all the ingredients of the chaat as a buffet, and everyone can assemble their own chaat according to their taste. And there you have it. Our spicy, tangy chaat papri is now ready to be enjoyed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. By pressing the bell icon button, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!